to the top, there ain't none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids, own property. Bubble-eyed beans that look like that be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes.
What's up, y'all? AJ Simmons here, founder of the Clean Biz Network. So, I want to do this quick tutorial just to show how to use the Opportunities tab. So, as you can see, I'm already here. So I went down, I clicked on Opportunities, and you can see I already have some pipelines here for you, all right? Now, first off, let's just go over it. So, opportunities are basically leads, right? So if you get a brand new lead, you can put it in this section, this section, this section, this section, or this section. And then if you close the deal, you can drag it down here to 1. You can drag it down to abandon. If you never followed up with it, you just let it go. Or you can put it down here in the lost column. All right. So where am I going to go? I am going to go first and just explain this. So first off, what is a pipeline? So pipelines are basically like the different offers that you have, right? So you got commercial accounts. I got an opportunity for commercial account or opportunity for a residential account. All right. So as you can see, you got those there. But I'm going to stick in the commercial account because that's what I deal with. All right. So let's just say you got a new opportunity. And I actually do because I got a walkthrough schedule tomorrow, straight from the CBN lead generation service. So let me go ahead and enter that information. So here I got the lead here. I'm going to go ahead and just enter that information, copy and paste it from there. Where are we? Right there. And if you can see, it's no contact, so I'm creating a new contact. I don't have his email address yet. I do have his phone number, which this is a real one that I'm working on, so I'm not going to pull that up again. I'll just look at my phone since I just got off the phone with him, following up to confirm the appointment for tomorrow, the walkthrough appointment for tomorrow. And I highly recommend if you get a lead from Clean Biz Network, make sure you call the appointment first before you go out there, so make sure you can follow up and confirm that the appointment is good to go. All right, so I got that one. I got that. So this is a warm lead because guess what? It's going to be, the appointment is set already. All right. I don't know the opportunity value yet because we haven't did the walkthrough and come up with the price. So once we do the walkthrough, I'll come back and add the opportunity value. But for now, I won't add anything, right? All right, let's go ahead and right now the status is open because we haven't lost it or won it or anything yet. It's assigned to me. All right. And then you can put followers on here. So let's just say, for example, you got a team of multiple different salespeople in your company. Then you can add multiple people to follow this particular lead here. All right. Lead source is CBN Lead Generation Service. The business name is, I think it was. All right, and then that's pretty much it. So I'm going to click create. All right, you see the opportunity is created successfully, and you can see that it is located right here. That's who I'm going to meet tomorrow. So once I do the appointment tomorrow, come up with my actual price, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back here, I'm going to click on this, and let's just say I come up with a price, and I say, okay, the price is $3,000 per month, and I'm going to update it. And so now you can see if I refresh the screen, it'll show it. So let me just refresh. All right, and now you can see that it says $3,000 instead of $0. And then if we go back to the actual dashboard view, you'll see that the opportunity is now here. At first I had 3 here instead of 4. Now I got 4. And then you can see the revenue opportunity here. And if we come down right here, you can see, where are we? Right there. You can see that we have $5,400 and value of opportunities out there, and they were sent by the CBN lead generation. All right. Let's see what else. That's pretty much all they show. So now you can see the dashboard nice and clearly to see exactly what is out there for you to cover. All right. So we got opportunity value that's open here, and then this is the opportunity that was abandoned. All right. So if you lost a lead or you just stopped following it up or anything like that, you're going to see all of the money you missed out on up there. And then what else we got? I also wanted to show you one more thing. So we go back to opportunities. And so again, I showed you pipelines are just the different offers that you have. So let's just say you want to create a new pipeline. Click on pipelines. And you can simply click create new pipeline. All right, so let's just say you wanted to create strip and wax. All right, and then all you want to do is add the stages. So what are the stages? The stages are, remember when you saw in my different sections I had cold lead, warm lead, walkthrough set, follow up. That's what those stages are, right? So let's just say you got a cold. Actually, we'll say cold lead made contact. All right, then you got warm lead appointment set. Then we'll say hot lead proposal submitted, and then we'll say follow up. All right, and then that's pretty much that. So I'm gonna save that. I'm going to, and there we go. I don't have to refresh the screen. It's already there. All right, perfect. Let's go back to opportunities. And let's go right here. Now you can see we got the strip and wax section for that as well. And so if you created a new opportunity just like I did, let's just create a dummy one right quick. I'll just put an existing contact just so you can see it. And then we'll create. I'm going to X this out. And now you can see you can drag it here, 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 or you can put it into one column or the lost column. And then once you put it into one column, it'll update the dashboard automatically. Or if you put it in the lost column or the abandoned column, it'll update the dashboard automatically as well. So that's simply how your opportunities work. Is a way to control all of your leads and then also keep track of them. And then obviously you can look at the dashboard and see a quick view of everything that you got open out there. So really highly effective tool. And then you'll automatically get emails about your leads and closed deals and everything as you start to make updates on your leads and try to get customers. So the CRM will definitely automatically send you those emails so you can get a snapshot every week. Hopefully this video helps, and thank y'all for watching.